So if you're someone that's looking to earn some extra cash with faceless content, then here are 5 high-paying niches that you should think about exploring. Plus, I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to optimize your content for Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest to reach a larger audience. Hey guys, welcome back to my faceless content series, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. This channel is full of everything you guys are going to need to achieve time freedom as well as financial success. So if you haven't yet, take a moment and subscribe, not for me, but really for you. I'm here to be a resource for you guys to help you build your brand, whether it's personal or business, and also boost your income. So as you guys may know, faceless content is a powerful way to create content but not have to show yourself. For instance, if you're new to my page and you've never seen how I look, you won't know how I look because I have on a mask. Creating faceless content is going to allow you guys to stay anonymous while also opening up monetization features, ways that you guys can actually make money from producing this faceless content as long as you are consistent with it. Be sure you are watching this video to the end for additional tips that you guys are going to need to implement in order to get monetization features for certain platforms. So let's get into 5 high-paying faceless content niches. So the first faceless content niche is going to be conspiracy theories. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly why this works. Conspiracy theories are going to draw in viewers because it's controversial topics, which mean people are going to be more likely to comment and keep up the engagement of that post, which is then in return going to push this post out to more people. I don't know if you noticed, but people are more likely to comment on something that they don't agree with. Pro tip for this type of content is make sure you're always keeping this content thought-provoking, while also staying clear from videos that might just so happen to violate the platform's guidelines. So the second faceless content niche is going to be brain puzzles and quizzes. Let me tell you guys why this will work. So automatically off the get-go, quizzes and puzzles are going to be very interactive. It's going to call for people to engage on a post, which again, in return, is going to drive up your engagement, making your posts get pushed out more. Just think about it. People love testing themselves. Here are a few content ideas for the puzzles and quizzes. So for the first example, you can create short videos asking brain-teasing questions. Second idea would be presenting quick challenges. Example, like, can you solve this riddle in 10 seconds? So the third faceless content niche is actually going to be one of my favorites, which is motivational content. Let me explain to you guys why this niche is going to work. Motivational content is not only appealing, like it's going to motivate and inspire other people. And when it comes to Instagram and how they push out posts, the main thing that they are looking at is the amount of shares that you are getting. And that is why motivational content is actually one of my favorites. But please keep in mind that motivational content is one of the most popular niches on Instagram. So if you are choosing to go with this niche, make sure you are using a format that is unique and it's going to allow you to stand out from everyone else. Content ideas for the motivational niche are going to include audio clips from famous people who have said motivational and inspirational words, as well as a video text with a uplifting audio in the background. And just because you guys know I'm literally always trying to set you guys up, here's a really quick tutorial. Like if you wanted to take a clip from, let's say, Oprah, and you wanted to add this onto a video and make it a short form video. Okay, so we're going to be getting this video from TikTok, and we're going to use SnapTik to download that video. You just want to copy the link from TikTok and put it in SnapTik. It's going to download that video without a watermark. We're then going to download it to our phone, save it, and we're going to move this video over to CapCut. So while we're on CapCut, we are going to use a black image. We're going to fill the entire video with that black image because we want to create a dark cast. This is for the black aesthetic. I like to do black aesthetic. So we're then going to add a logo to the video. You can make the logo on Canva. Make sure the background is transparent so there's nothing behind it. You then want to lower the opacity of the logo. If you want to add captions, you can add captions, or you can do the captions on each individual app. The last thing you want to do is change the video from 720p to 4K. So the fourth faceless content niche is going to be clips from popular books. This is why it works. Sharing summaries and clips and quotes from popular books not only is going to allow you to attract people who have read the book, it's also going to attract people who are interested in reading these books and have not proceeded with purchasing it. I actually love this idea because you can start implementing an affiliate for books, which is insane. So as you're creating this content, you're going going to be able to monetize by using affiliate links to books. And I don't know about you guys, but I've purchased a lot of books just from watching a TikTok video with quotes of that book inside of videos. I will literally buy a book from watching one of those videos. As far as content ideas for the book clips, here are a few ideas. You could choose to highlight key takeaways from that book. Something like 3 lessons from Atomic Habits that will change your life, and then include the 3 lessons from that book. The 5th and the last Faceless content niche is going to be health and wellness. And this is going to work because we all know that health and wellness is very important. People will always look for tips on mental health and well-being, even if it's things such as simple as foods that we should and shouldn't be consuming. Here are a few content ideas for this niche. For the first content idea, you are going to be sharing tips on nutrition. The second idea is going to be quick and easy workouts. The third idea is going to be mindfulness, as well as mindfulness exercises like meditation. I don't know about you guys, but I love those videos telling you like the benefits of cucumbers and avocados. I absolutely love them. Now, for additional tips, you want to make sure you are researching whatever niche you are going to be entering. This is one thing that people fail to realize when you're becoming a content creator. Yes, Faceless content is still a content creator. So when you're doing this, you have to build a strategy before you just head into it. So you want to create a list of at least 2 to 3 pages that post similar content. Look at the format of their videos and check out which one of their videos are getting the most views, which of their videos are going viral. This is going to really help you take out the guessing work from creating your content because you would already know what people like to watch. A lot of the times we have to stop trying to invent something new and just roll with what is working for everyone else while putting our unique twist on it. Now, Instagram and TikTok monetization, they are completely different. So once you get monetized on Instagram and you get invited to the Reels bonuses or the ads on the Reels, those videos are allowed to be short videos. It doesn't matter how long that video is, you are able to monetize on it. On the other side, with TikTok, your videos have to be 1 minute long to be able to monetize on them. And that's from TikTok's creativity program. Your videos have to be a minute. So just keep that in mind when you're creating this video. If you're going for Instagram, you can use shorter videos, but if you're aiming for TikTok, the videos do have to be a minute long. And please don't forget Pinterest, you guys. Pinterest is very well slept on. And what I love about Pinterest is that you can take affiliate links. Each video that you post, you're allowed to post a different link. So if you're creating different motivational videos, you can get affiliate products and link them on these videos. Each product can be different. So you have the potential to make money on every video that you are posting. I also want you guys to remember to stay consistent. In the beginning, when you first start this, your growth may be slow, but please stay consistent. Do not get discouraged. The time you're putting in will definitely be worth it in the long run. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and click the video here if you have not yet seen video 1 of the Faceless content series.